Let's just say what everyone's thinking. You don't have money for Facebook ads. You don't have a marketing team. Hell, you barely have time to finish your coffee before the chaos starts. But guess what? You don't need money. You need attention. And the way you're going to get it, it's not by posting another Canva quote to your 47 Instagram followers. It's by doing things that make people stop, laugh, talk, or whip out their phones like, wait, who the hell is this? Today's episode is about guerrilla marketing, the kind of scrappy, outside the box, $0 marketing that gets your business noticed even when your bank account is screaming, maybe next week. If you've got hustle, creativity, and a roll of duct tape, you're ready. Listen, people, I also need you to take a second and subscribe. I need a little bit of vanity metrics here, so help me out. All right, let's go. Guerrilla marketing is what happens when you mix creativity with desperation. And if you've ever run a business on fumes, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's low budget, high impact. It's so unexpected that people can't help but remember it. It works because it feels human, not polished, not corporate, just clever. And here's what it looks like. A chiropractor prints skeleton stickers and slaps them on a stop sign, and it says, "Got back pain?" with their number underneath. Or a dog groomer chalks paw prints down the sidewalk, leading to a fake hydrant that says, "Your dog deserves better. Call us." It's weird, it's borderline, and it works. Stat for the nerds. People are 4 times more likely to remember an unexpected marketing moment than a traditional ad. That's Harvard Business Review if you need to justify that to your spouse. All right, let's get into 10 guerrilla tactics that you can steal today, even if you're broke, busy, and still using Hotmail. Each one has an example for both service-based and product-based business because this podcast is for all of us fighting the good fight. All right. So 1, sticker bombing. You've seen them. Random stickers on light poles or bathroom mirrors. What if the sticker said, "Wish this was your window"? We clean them. And it was stuck to a nasty building downtown. Boom. 2 leads for the price of a 10-cent sticker. Or if it's a product, right? So a candle brand prints scratch and sniff stickers with their signature scents, sticks them on the counter at every coffee shop and co-working space in town. It's marketing you can smell. Don't be annoying, be interesting. Let the sticker start the conversation. All you did was place it there. If you get 1 order off of a 10-cent sticker, I feel like that's worth it, right? 2, bathroom blitz. Listen, bathrooms are the most underrated ad space in America, right? You've got a captive audience. They're bored, their phones in hand. They're literally staring at a blank wall. Okay, for our service example, plumber puts a waterproof flyer above the urinal. It says, "Tired of leaky pipes? So are we." Product example, skincare brands tape a flyer to the mirror that says, "Breakouts aren't the only emergency here," with a QR code. Boom. All right. Number 3, reverse shoplifting. Okay. Instead of stealing from a store, you're sneaking value into it. Stay with me. So, like, if you're a real estate agent, you could leave a handwritten note inside a home decor book. Say, "Picture this staged in your next listing. Need help selling?" With their information. If you're a coffee roaster, you could drop branded samples into mugs at Home Goods. No one asked for it, but someone's going home thinking about your beans. This isn't reverse theft, it's surprise value delivery. Okay? All right, 4, yard signs that actually work. Listen, yard signs don't have to suck. I sell a ton of them, and I know they work because those same people keep coming back to buy more. So let's say you're a dog trainer. You can plant one near a park, and it says something like, "Your dog's behavior is not fine. Scan to fix it." Or if you're a cookie company, it could say, "Best cookies in town ahead. Follow the crumbs." QR codes are free and yard signs are minimum. So again, you get 1 sale off of 1 yard sign. Your ROI, pretty damn good. Okay, 5, cross promotion chaos. You don't need more customers. You need a buddy with customers, right? We've talked about this in previous episodes. Also, business owners helping business owners is good for everybody. So let's say a massage therapist teams up with a mechanic, puts a coupon in the glove box. Your back deserves a tune-up too. Or let's say a kombucha brand collabs with a yoga studio. You stretched your body, now refresh your gut. You both win. $0 spent. All right, 6. Everybody still with me? All right, let's go. Drive-through decals. Let your car do the marketing while you wait for your overpriced iced coffee. And yes, I sell decals for your car as well. And I'm going to preface this by saying I'm not a fan of full wraps. You don't have to be crazy on your vehicle, but a simple decal will go a long ways, right? So let's say you're a mobile notary. So you could have a window cling that says, need docs notarized while you wait, with the QR code or phone number underneath. Or you're a soap company. Soap's so good, it should be illegal. Something that when somebody is sitting in traffic, make traffic sell for you. All right. 7. And again, I've talked about this in previous episodes. Local Facebook group hijacks, but do it smart, right? We don't spam, we serve. Let's say you're a pest control owner. So you could go on a group, probably preferable a local group if you're a pest control company, and you can post something like, here's how to keep ants out of your pantry without poison. And then, of course, casually add somewhere in there, by the way, I run a local company if anyone needs help. So let's say a jewelry seller, you donate a bracelet. You could donate a bracelet to a local fundraiser and then drop in the link just in case someone wants to browse more. If you're not in your city's messy Facebook groups, are you even marketing? 8, sidewalk art takeover. I know it sounds cheesy, but it works, right? Because you know it works because you've seen one in the past. Sidewalk chalk isn't just for kids, it's for closers. Say a personal trainer, you could draw footprints that say, out of shape, follow me, right to the gym. If you're a bakery, you can draw a donut with this one's free, the real thing's $2. It's legal, it's funny, it's cheaper than your latte. 9, mystery drops. People love curiosity, right? So say a financial coach mails 10 local businesses a postcard and it says, you're underpaid, let's fix that. Or a hot sauce company drops off samples with the sticker and the sticker says, this will change your life or your mouth. No pitch, no spam, just intrigue and a QR code. But again, we're talking about things to do on a low budget or no budget. And last, 10. And again, we've talked about this too. Referral contests that actually work, right? So say you're a dog groomer. You can put on your social media, tag us in the dirtiest dog photo. Winner gets a free glow up, right? Or say you're a mug company. And you could do the same thing, but like ugliest mug wins a free custom upgrade. Free engagement, free laughs, free word of mouth. People love a disaster, right? Especially if it's a disaster photo. So dirtiest dog, ugliest mug, whatever your product or service is. Traditional ads are forgettable. Guerrilla marketing is shareable. It doesn't feel like an ad. It feels like a story. Something someone tells their friend. Dude, I saw this QR code in the gas station bathroom and it actually made me laugh. That's what makes people find you. That's what makes people come find you. 70% of consumers say they prefer brands that surprise them. I feel like I should put something in here about what not to do, right? Because let's not end up on the news, right? So we're not going to spray paint anything. We're not going to lie. We're not going to tape flyers to someone's dog. We're not going to be creepy, okay? If it wouldn't make your grandma proud, don't post it. You're trying to grow your brand, not build a criminal record. So here's the challenge, okay? Pick one of these tactics from this episode, run it for 7 days, take a picture, record a video, or send me the reaction you got. You can put it in the comments of this show, or you can text me 402-890-2000. If it flops, we'll laugh. If it wins, I'll feature you in a future episode or short form video. Either way, it beats doing nothing, right? This is $0 marketing. And if your wallet's empty, but your brain still works, you've got no excuse. So go make some noise. And again, if you have any marketing ideas you want me to try for 30 days, put them in the comments or shoot me a text 402-890-2000. Because again, I'll try anything for 30 days and I will document it.